In a society today where we are jam-packed with a lot of schedules, routines, we often become too busy that we have little or no time to give our teeth the proper care. And as a result of that, dental plaque becomes inevitable. Although periodically we have dentists help us sort that out, but on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you simple tips on how to sort it out yourself at home. On today's video we are going to be looking at the common causes of dental plaque, possible solutions. I'm also going to be showing you a simple homemade remedy for dental plaque. And lastly, a homemade. Take a look at my teeth right now and I tell you guys that in few minutes my teeth is going to be sparkling bright. So see the before and after effects. So this is after using the homemade remedy and also the mouthwash. After achieving all of this, I tell you that the smile on your face will be ceaseless, as you might want to even hang out with your friends and then smile all through, like smile as if you won a jackpot and then share that happy moment, because it's quite frustrating, when you have dental plaque, mouth odor and all of that. You don't just feel free, you don't feel free at all. Then getting that out of the way is like total freedom. Hi guys, you're most welcome back to my channel, T Elegant Natural Beauty and Fabulosity channel. If you're new, you're welcome, and if you're old, you are super welcome. Alright guys, please check below, you see the subscribe button. Click on that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be the first to get notified anytime I upload a new video. On today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to brighten your teeth. I'm going to be sharing with you causes of dental plaque. Let's look at some of the causes of dental plaque. Plaque develops when foods containing carbohydrate, milk, cake also contributes, and candy, like this one is known to like almost everybody. And then lastly, soft drink. There are a whole lot of other things too. When these are frequently left on the teeth, bacteria that lives in the mouth thrives on these foods, producing acid as a result. Over a period of time, this acid destroys tooth enamel, resulting in tooth decay. Plaque can also develop on the tooth roots under the gum and cause breakdown of the bone supporting the teeth. Worst case. To prevent plaque buildup, brush your teeth at least twice a day with a soft, rounded bristle toothbrush. Pay particular attention to the space where the gums and the teeth meet. So guys, in as much as you need a soft toothbrush, you also need a hard toothbrush. There are some rugged particles that have refused to come out, especially inside. You use it to get rid of them and also use it to brush the top layer of your teeth. Crispy fruits and raw vegetables like apples, carrots, celery helps clean plaque from the teeth and freshens breath. Antioxidant vitamins such as vitamin C and other nutrients from the fruits and vegetables help protect gums and other tissues from cell damage and bacterial infection. Who is guilty of using one toothbrush for more than 3 months? Do you know the dangers? Just look at the dangers on the screen, like plaque, plaque, plaque. You're calling for it. You're literally saying, plaque, come, I need ya, come. Change your toothbrush every 3 months, like that's the minimum, guys. At least toothbrush is what you need every day to help get rid of all the particles on your teeth. First, I'm gonna be needing baking soda. Baking soda or sodium bicarbonate helps to neutralize acids in the mouth and reduces the amount of bacteria in your mouth. Alright guys, so I'm gonna be adding like little water and then go ahead and give it a very nice stir so that the water and the baking soda can be well mixed together. So baking soda can also help whiten your teeth, but don't do this often, because it can damage your tooth enamel. So guys, the next thing I'm gonna be preparing now is the mouthwash. So for this mouthwash, I'm gonna be needing apple cider vinegar. Vinegar can help protect your enamel and fight plaque buildup in your teeth. Mix 2 tablespoons of vinegar. You want to make sure the water is slightly warm. So now you're gonna go ahead and give it a nice stir, like mix it. You can also add a pinch of salt if you wish, but I prefer using mine like this. It's ready. So guys, did I tell you that this is not to be done frequently, like maybe like once in a month? I think I've said that already. So you do this just once in a month, yeah. And then after using the soft brush, you go onto the hard brush. You brush those areas where I showed you earlier on, those rugged areas. So now you're gonna go ahead and rinse and get rid of all those stubborn bacteria hanging around that has refused to let you go. So this one you can be doing it maybe like 2 times in a week or so. Just give your mouth a very nice rinse, and this will help a whole lot, guys. Swish the mixture in your mouth for a few minutes before spitting out. So you might want to preserve the remaining, to use it some other time, but do not use more than 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day. So guys, also rinse with ordinary water. After rinsing with apple cider vinegar, you go ahead and also rinse with ordinary water so that the apple cider vinegar will be completely removed from your mouth. And now, final result. Do you love my teeth? Oh, I know, I love them too. Alright, my beautiful people, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope the video was helpful. Please, if this video was helpful, consider subscribing. See you on my next video. Stay beautiful. Bye.